In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my daughter's bedroom that I will be making over for the entire month of June, and I will share with you the plans that I have for it and the inspiration for the makeover. Guys, I am so excited because this month I am going to be taking part in Heidi Sonboul's Room of the Month Challenge, which is basically a challenge to make over one room in your home for the month of June and share the progress every week. For the month of June, there are going to be 6 other amazing, talented ladies also doing room makeovers. This is our host, Heidi, from Happily Thriving Heidi. This is Yami from the Latina Next Door. Jessica from Measure and Mix is also joining this month. Chantel from Love and Life's Journey. Maria from Artsy Cupcake. And finally, Patricia from Living Even Keeled. Now for this challenge, our posts will be going live every Thursday throughout the month of June at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now there will be a playlist linked down in the description below, so make sure you go check out the playlist to see all the other room transformations, as well as I will have a link to every single lady's channel so you can go check out their channel as well. This is the current state of my daughter's room. We actually started this makeover last year but never finished it, so her walls have already been painted. However, the plan has always been to do something fun on this white wall. We've come up with a few ideas, but my daughter has yet to decide what she wants to do there. This is what her room looked before we painted it. It was just beige. And there she is. This was when we were getting ready to paint the walls. As you walk in her room, it's clear to see that we have a lack of organization and storage, as she just has her shoes laying here near the door. So while this will be a visual makeover, it will also be a functional one as well. One of the biggest issues my daughter has is this large dresser. It has yellowed over time. It is also a lot larger than she needs. She stores most of her clothes in the closet. She also doesn't like the pink knobs. So we are going to be getting a new dresser. We had this mattress in here that came from my son's room, but we are no longer going to be using it in here. This is actually the bottom of a bunk bed that we took apart last year, and she would like to get a trundle bed. The desk will be staying. The curtains will be staying. We will be getting a new desk chair. That was just a chair we used and threw in here. All new artwork. The storage under her bed will be different. As you can see here, there are a lot of stains on this carpet, mostly from her slime stuff and the paint. So we are going to not rip up the carpet, but we are going to put down a new carpet. Again, some new artwork, as this is just kind of stuff that she threw up on her walls. Her closet isn't horrid. There is some organization to it, but we can definitely do more. I'd like to get her shoes stored in here, maybe some kind of shoe storage, and some kind of shelving maybe for some of her clothes. Just different things that we're going to work on. She also needs some storage for her slime stuff and any other craft supplies she has, because they end up just laying on the floor, getting underneath her bed. It ends up being a mess. This picture that we got on clearance at Marshall's for $10 became the inspiration for her room makeover. She is going to be doing a cactus and llama themed room with pink, white, gold accents. This is the inspiration for her room. We're going to add some wood, gold, and plant accessories. It's going to end up having kind of a glam boho feel. I really hope that you guys are excited about this room makeover as I am and as my daughter is. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the makeover and any other future makeover videos. And don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching.